welcome to TEVO Creations' channel. Today we'll guide you through applying ceramic and graphene coatings, two of the most advanced forms of paint protection for your car. First things first, prep the surface thoroughly. Clean, clay, and polish the car's surface to remove any contaminants and imperfections. This step is essential to ensure the coating bonds properly. Now for the application. Use an applicator pad to apply the coating in small sections, following a crosshatch pattern for even coverage. After applying, let the coating sit for a few minutes. Each product has its own buffing time. For Kuro Graphene Coating, wait 5 minutes, then buff the area with a microfiber cloth for a smooth, flawless finish. Finally, use an infrared light to speed up the curing process and minimize any contamination on the coated surface. We're using TEVO's Kuro Graphene Coating here. It's ultra-durable, gives a high-gloss shine, and provides excellent water repellency, chemical resistance, and long-lasting protection. Allow an initial curing time of 24 hours. During this time, avoid speeding and keep the car parked under shelter. Wait at least 7 days before washing to allow full curing. For maintenance, wash the car weekly or bi-weekly, and visit your detailer every 6 months for coating upkeep. A high-quality ceramic or graphene coating not only protects your car, but also keeps it looking new for years to come. Take the time to apply it right. Thanks for watching. Here is the summary for this video. See you all in next video.